Doctor. A doctor is a person who will help to keep human health in healthy condition. A doctor holds a very important place in our society. There are different fields of doctors to treat various illness of human. Doctors treat their patient in hospital and clinics. There is always stethoscope hanging around their neck. Nurses and the compounder help doctor to treat people. Doctors not only treat disease but also advise patients about diet, health and hygiene. Responsible doctors uh, give priority to service, not to money. A doctor always wears a smile on his face and behave very softly with his patients. In every country, being a doctor is considered as a noble profession.